Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove movies and shows from the continue watching list on Netflix in PC. So in here, I'm going to open Netflix on my browser here on my computer. So you can go to the netflix.com, but I already add a bookmark in here, a shortcut to my Netflix. So you can just go to this Netflix on .com, and then you'll find the browse or the explore on Netflix. And to find your continue watching list, you can just scroll down in here, and then you'll find your continue watching. And to remove it from this list, to remove a movie or shows, you can just put your cursor on the movies that you want to remove, and there will
Every
be
minute there's
this
something going on down
option
here.
you can remove
Every bar,
from my
restaurant.
list, which is your wish list
Every
to
minute
watch,
there's something going on down
or
here.
you can click on this cross icon to
Every
remove it
minute there's
from the
something going on
continue
down here.
watching.
Every bar,
Click on
restaurant.
that. You can just cleaning up, and just like that, now the movie has been removed from the continue watching. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!